Hello and welcome back. Happy Thursday. If you were just tuning in with me for my day number 1 of 12 days of gifting, then welcome back. I told you I'd be back in just a minute. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can always go back and you can tune in for my 12 days of gifting day number 1. I just did day number 1. It might have something to do with my lip color. So you can go back and you can tune in. So if you're just now tuning in with me for my weekly live at 7 p.m. Eastern time, go ahead and let me know you're watching. I do pick one winner out of the comments every week and I give something away. So make sure that you get yourself entered in to win by commenting down below. So today what I'm going to show you is the new winter beauty box. So in the fall, I did show you another beauty box that Mary Kay had offered. It had, let me think. Oof, I don't even know if I remember now. It had charcoal mask, light or pink starlight liquid eyeshadow. It had some really, hydrogel eye patch samples. It had some really great products in there. But we have a new beauty box and I am so stoked about this one. First of all, the outside is so adorable. I love the little lips on the outside. I think it's so cute. I also appreciate how sturdy this is. Like, it is truly nice and sturdy. It's cardboard, so you can ship these even if you wanted to, or you can use this as a little gift box. You could just add a bow to this, and I think it'd be adorable with these little kiss marks on it for a gift for the holidays. These are limited edition, so if you want one of these, grab them while they're around. You can find them right up on my link up above. So this is the beauty box. We're gonna dig in. So this retails for $48. It's actually worth more than that, but you only pay $48 for each of these boxes, which is really fun. Hi, Brenda. Hi, Jessica. Hi, Mary Beth. Hello, hello. Okay, good. I'm happy you guys are here. And like I said before, if you have not tuned in to my 12 days of gifting, make sure you go back and watch that, because today started day number 1 of my 12 days of gifting. So for 12 days, I come and I help you guys find gifts for everybody on your list, all the price points on your list. So make sure you tune back in you can find me with the pink Santa hat. That's the right video to be watching. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to unbox this box. So this is the beauty box. Like I said, the winter edition beauty box. All right, so on the inside, there is a little code right here. You can scan this little QR code and it will walk you through all the products that are in here, which is really cool. There's also this right here. It has all of the products that are in here and it also explains what they are. So you can scan the little QR code and it's going to tell you more about them. But this is just kind of like your little insert that's in the box. It tells you about them. So let's go ahead. We're going to dig in and see what's in this box. So like I said, it's $48 and it has this cute headband. I love the headband. Look how cute it is. So it's light pink. It says Mary Kay. You've probably seen me wear my gray one. I know I wear it quite frequently. I always look really goofy like a bunny with it on, but I wear my gray one. So this time they came out with cute pale pink ones, which makes, I think the headband honestly just makes this a lot better of a gift, because it's something else that's not a product. It's just a little something, so it makes it really fun for whoever's opening this box. Next is they have a highlighter in here. So glazed highlighter. This is what it looks like in the container. Let me show you, and I'll show you mine as well. So here it is in the container. It's a glazed highlighter. Here is, let me show you mine. This is mine actually in my palette right here. You can see it. So I use it on my cheeks, and also you can use it in the middle of your nose, wherever you want to highlight. But it's a really great makeup product that everybody can use. Everybody can use this for their makeup. So then we have glazed highlighter. It's also nice and natural too. It's not too bright. Sometimes I feel like really bright highlighters can be a little overpowering, where this one's a little bit more natural too. All right, next we have in here a little mini, and this little mini is Satin Shea scrub. So this is the body scrub. So I love to use this in the shower. It's really great. It's an exfoliant for your whole body. It smells really fresh too. So a little mini one of those, or if you are traveling, this is a great size to take with you if you're traveling. It lasts about, I would say about a week. It's a nice amount of product in there. Okay, and there's 2 more full-size items in here. The other 2 full-size items are, we have a pink clay mask. If you have not yet used this pink clay mask, try it out, and I bet you're going to love, love, love it. The pink clay mask is for anywhere from oily to dry skin. It's for all skin types, and pink clay is the most gentle clay that you can use on your skin. So if you're looking for a way to mask weekly, but you have really sensitive skin, the pink clay mask is a great solution for that. So I use this twice a week for just about 10 minutes, and then that's it. You just wipe it off with a wet washcloth. So again, this box is really great for everybody. It's great for starters, people who are kind of beginning to self-care and use skincare or makeup. It's also great for the beauty guru who maybe has been using skincare and makeup for years and years and years. These are all staples and really great staples for their regimen. So we've got pink clay mask, and then the other full-size item that's in here is a lip gloss, and this is one of my favorite lip gloss colors. Let me show you. It's called Fancy Nancy. Actually, instead of pulling this out, I think I have one over here, and I can show it to you on the back of my hand. Just a second, I do. Okay, so this is Fancy Nancy, and this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. So it's just kind of like a nice sheer, pretty light pink color. So it's going to, you can put it over pretty much any lipstick, or you can wear it all by itself. So Fancy Nancy, again, it's a really nice neutral makeup option, just like the glazed highlighter that pretty much anybody can use. So not pretty much, actually anybody can use that. There's no reason, like it's a nice light sheer pink shimmery lip gloss. So to recap, the things in this box are phenomenal for people who are just love anything to do with beauty, any skincare, any makeup. This is an awesome gift. So again, this is only $48, and to recap real quick, we have a fuzzy headband, we have a mini satin body scrub, and then 3 full-size items. So there is the Fancy Nancy lip gloss, the glazed highlighter, and then also the pink clay mask. So there are some really great options in here. So you can either grab this for yourself, or like I said, you can grab this as a gift for the holidays. I think this makes such an awesome gift because it is a really great price point as well. So if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Let me know. Ask me any questions. If you want customized gifts, you can absolutely order customized gifts with me too. The deadline for ordering all gifts for the holidays is December 10th. So make sure, if you do want any stocking stuffers or any gifts for the holidays from me, make sure you get them into me by December 10th. But thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. If you want the tutorial on this eyeshadow, I actually am about to post it on YouTube. So after I'm done with this, I'll go upload it. Check back into my YouTube later today, and it is called Coco Moco, so that I did a tutorial on. And then also, like I said before, if you did not tune in for my day number 1 of 12 days of gifting, make sure you go back and you check that video out too, because today is December 1st, which means it starts 12 days of gifting. So thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. Like I said, if you want to shop, check the link out up above, and I'll be back next Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern time right here, and you can also catch me live for the next 11 more days. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.